produce millions of skin cells to replace those lost through normal activity. Each of these cells must have a complete complement of the genetic material. Prior to cell division, where the cell divides into two identical cells, the DNA needs to be replicated so that each daughter cell receives an exact copy. To prepare for cell division, the cell goes through interphase, which can be divided into three distinct phases. During G1 or gap1 phase, all the organelles and cytoplasmic components, including the centrioles in animal cells, replicate. Then during S or synthesis phase, the DNA replicates. Finally, during G2 or gap2 phase, all the enzymes needed to aid in the process of cell division are produced.